How to fix a paper jam for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3201 to 3204 and 3288 printer series. During a print job, if your printer stops feeding pages and a paper jam error message displays on the control panel, you might be experiencing a jam in a few possible locations within the printer. Follow these steps to fix a paper jam. After completing each step, try to use the printer again. If you are still experiencing the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Clear a paper jam from tray 1, the single sheet slot. Power off the printer. Then unplug it from the power source. Pull tray 2 completely out of the printer. Push down on tray 1 and then pull the tray out. Gently pull any jammed paper straight out of the single sheet priority feed slot. Push tray 1 back into the printer. Reinsert and then close tray 2. Step 2. Clear a paper jam from tray 2. Power off the printer. Then unplug it from the power source. Pull tray 2 completely out of the printer. Remove any jammed or damaged sheets of paper. If no jammed paper is visible, or if jammed paper is deep enough in the tray 2 feed area that it is difficult to remove, press down on tray 1 and then remove it. Remove any jammed or damaged sheets of paper. If tray 1 was removed, replace it by pushing it into the printer. Reinsert and then close tray 2. Step 3. Clear a paper jam from the rear access door. Power off the printer. Then unplug it from the power source. At the rear of the printer, open the rear access door. Caution! The fuser can be hot while the printer is in use. Wait for the fuser to cool before handling it. Remove any jammed or damaged sheets of paper. Close the rear access door. Step 4. Clear a paper jam in the output bin. Power off the printer. Then unplug it from the power source. At the rear of the printer, open the rear access door. Caution! The fuser can be hot while the printer is in use. Wait for the fuser to cool before handling it. If paper is visible in the output bin, grasp the leading edge and remove it. Use both hands to remove jammed paper to avoid tearing the paper. Gently remove any jammed paper from the rollers in the rear access door area. Close the rear access door. Step 5. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer can recover it from errors or failures. Press the power button to turn off the printer. If the printer does not turn off, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Connect the power cord to a wall outlet. Note: HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power cord to the printer. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.